Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot to Squarespace. If you find this helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe before we get started. Let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and head over to hubspot.com. Once you're on the page, log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will take you to your main HubSpot dashboard where you can access all the tools and features you need to manage your marketing and sales activities. After you're logged in, look toward the top of the screen and you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up the settings panel. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your HubSpot account, including tracking codes, integrations, and other important settings. Once the settings panel opens, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see a vertical list of different setting categories. Look for the option that says Tracking and Analytics and click on it. This section contains all the tools related to monitoring your website traffic, analyzing visitor behavior, and managing tracking codes. Now, under Tracking and Analytics, you'll see several options listed. Click on Tracking Code. This is the specific area where HubSpot stores the embed code you need to add to your Squarespace website. The tracking code allows HubSpot to collect data about your website visitors and track their interactions with your content. Once you're in the tracking code section, you'll see an embed code displayed on the screen. This is the code that connects HubSpot to your website. Click the Copy button to copy this code to your clipboard. Make sure you've copied the entire code as you'll need to paste it into your Squarespace site in just a moment. Now open a new tab or window and navigate to your Squarespace website dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the option that says Website and click on it. This takes you to the main website management area where you can control your site's structure and content. Under the website section, click on Pages. This will show you the structure of your website, including all your pages and navigation settings. From here, you'll be able to access the code injection feature that Squarespace provides for adding custom code. On the left side of the Pages panel, look for an option labeled Custom Code and click on it. Then click on Code Injection. This feature allows you to add custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript code to your Squarespace site, which is exactly what you need to insert the HubSpot tracking code. Once the code injection panel opens, you'll see two fields, one for the header and one for the footer. Find the header field and click inside it. Then paste the embed code you copied from HubSpot earlier. Placing the code in the header ensures that it loads on every page of your website and can properly track visitor activity from the moment they land on your site. After you've pasted the code into the header field, look toward the top of the screen and click the Save button. This will apply the changes and activate the HubSpot tracking code on your Squarespace website. Give it a moment to save and your integration will be complete. And that's it. You've successfully connected HubSpot to your Squarespace website, and your tracking code is now live. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.